Hello everyone, this is Gopi. Welcome to my YouTube channel Power BI with Gops. Knowledge shared equal to knowledge squared. In this video, we are going to see how to use the field parameters in Power BI Desktop. Let's get started. If you want to change the y-axis dynamically, then you can use this field parameters. This field parameters now in preview feature. First we need to enable that. So for that, go to Files, Options and Settings, Options. Then go to Preview Features, and then you need to enable this field parameters. Okay, now let me show an example. In this example there are three charts. One is displaying revenue by month, another chart is displaying profit by month, and the next chart is displaying cost by month. There are three charts which is displaying the three different measures, but the x-axis remains same. This is month by month value. Okay, so month on month they are displaying the value. So what is the value for month January, what is the value for month February, like that. Okay, so instead of showing this data in a three different charts, so if you want to show that in a single chart, so how to do that? So there are two methods. The old method is you can use the bookmarks. You can create bookmarks for each and every chart separately and then you can use. But now by replacing that method, now we have a new method called field parameters. So by using this field parameters, just one click, so the values is going to change as per the requirement. Okay, so let's see how to do that. First go to modeling tab. Under modeling tab, go to new parameters, select field. Okay, so here you need to give the name. So let's example selected measure. Okay, so in this field we are going to drag and drop the options what and all we want to change dynamically. So let's open my measures table. So let's take cost, let's take a revenue, and let's take profit. So once you select the fields, and in bottom there is one option add slicers to this page. So by default this is enabled. Suppose if it is not enabled, so please click on this and click on create. So this is going to create one slicer. Okay, so now slicer is created. Then go to wish files and do some changes. Let's change this to tile and we'll make this single select, and let's arrange this. Okay, so now this is done. Now let's take the same chart, stacked column chart, and then in x-axis let's take month, and in y-axis we are going to use this selected measures. So once you create this selected measures, in right hand side in field section you can see one new table with the name selected measures, and here you can see the code for that. So cost, so this is the sorting number. Okay, because we dropped cost first and then revenue and then profit. So this is the code. So just we are going to use this selected measures in y-axis. Let's select the data labels. Okay, so now this is just one chart, but there is three different options here. Now this is displaying only cost. Then if you want to see revenue, click on revenue. It is going to display revenue, and if it is a profit, then it's a profit. So this is the way you need to use the field parameters. So x-axis is constant and y-axis is dynamic. So dynamically we can change this. So I want to see the cost, so I am selecting cost. Then they want to see the revenue, they can click on revenue, and then profit. So like this field parameter is going to work. In this way, users can dynamically change the measures whatever they want to see. That's all for today's video. I hope you learned something new from this video. If so, Please like this video, share it with your Power BI friends, and subscribe and support my channel. Thank you very much.